Well, good morning, Las Vegas. Last night we got in and got the room. Now let's take a good view of the outside in the daylight. Beautiful mountain view. And a view to the east. Better view of the pit building. And you can kind of see the F1 track going around the building. And we got Hilton Grand Vacation Club building right there to the east. And panning back to the north, you can see Ellis Island again there in the background. So Tuscany, the Sphere, Paris in the foreground, High Roller in the back, Venetian Palazzo, the Wynn in the back, Fontainebleau as well, and then behind Fontainebleau is the Strat. And to the left of the picture, you could kind of see Resorts World as well. Great view. Now walking back out from the bedroom to the living area. One thing I didn't notice last night while I got in was the high ceiling. Didn't talk about that at all. This, of course, is the top level, 51st story, 51st floor, which is the top floor, and it's the got the high ceiling here. And again, I guess this is the Sylvester Stallone suite with all the Sylvester Stallone pictures, movie captures, movie scenes, just different iconic work. There are other suites on the floor with other theming as well. But yeah, now that I got a good view, and now to come think of it, this is not exactly the room that I booked, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Wouldn't mind staying in this suite again.